And we're here with Tiffany, who tried the Tamanu oil. Tiffany, tell me a little bit about your skin and what you're looking for.
I have oily skin, so I'm just kind of looking for a balance, something that I don't have to always, blot my skin for. I have a lot of acne at times, so I'm just looking for something that'll smooth my skin and just kind of help with blemish and stuff like that.
Wonderful. And so you tried the Tamanu oil, which is wonderful for all of that. It's very healing to the skin, helps to balance it out. So tell me how it felt when you rubbed it on. Sorry.
Oh, it felt fabulous. I mean, it's not sticky, it's not greasy. It's like it just soaked right in. It's really nice. It's a wonderful product. I already can tell.
And you tried it on your hair too?
Yeah, I did. I put it on the ends of my hair, so there. No split ends.
And it looks beautiful and very sleek and straight.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Tiffany.
Oh, thank you. And you guys have a great day.
Thank you.
And good luck with this product.
Thank you.